Gigaida EIMM. Today, Gizo presenter and tell you what is exactly is EIMM.
MMM Global is a self-managed community by participants in providing each other financial help on the principle of righteousness and reciprocity and benevolence. MMM stands for Mavrodom Model Movement. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to give money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. Peer-to-peer system, no central account, it will not collect money. Brief facts about MMM. MMM Global Community started in 2011 as a new project of Sergei Mavrodom in Moscow, Russia, to create a new fair financial order as a World Mutual Aid Fund community, primarily to help people become financially independent. Speeded up at the very first day of its beginning. Now, this is voluntary network. It's a community of millions of people from many countries worldwide. 5 years of activity since January of 2011. Several billions assistance provided. One donation exchange program. MMM gives you a typical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who in need and those who are ready to provide help with their spare money. How does it work? When you declare the willingness to give help by clicking the Provide Help in your personal office, your account will credit with Mavro. Mavro is an internal currency of the system. Mavro amount will start growing from the moment of you deposit the rate of 10% per donation. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Tuesday and on Thursday. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. Say you have announced willingness of assistance of $100. You will be credited in your personal office PO with 100 Mavro, and they will immediately start growing. A month later, these 100 Mavro will become 130 Mavro. Accordingly, you will be able to request assistance of $130. $100 equals to 100 Mavro. After 30 days, it will be 130 Mavro equals $130. We are offering a mutual aid program with 10% growth per month for your donation growth of per Mavro per month. Registration bonus. After having registered and marking the first donation, the participants receive bonus in the amount of $20 if the donation is from $50 to $499. $50 if the donation from $500 to $2,900. $100 donation it's more than $3,000. And referral bonus, you get 10% of all donation of the participants you invited, inviting new members from the community in your additional contribution to its development. If you want to become a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn managers bonus, managers of EIMM community can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus from each of donation of every participant in their structure. This is multi-level bonus. These managers can have his own leader who ranks in higher than him. Managers bonus varies depending on the level in structure. Managers from first level participant donation is 5%, and then from the second level is 3%. 1% is from the third person. 0.5 is from the fourth person, and 0.25 from the fifth person, and 0.5 the seventh level, and 0.3 the eighth level. 0.1% is the last level. Therefore, in order that emotional aid process may be beneficial and not to be stopped, the number of participants donating money should generally increase. The community constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of emotional assistance. However, it may happen those who donated money will not receive help back, donate only spare money. However, for many years of operation, we had proven the system is reliability. MMM have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and beneficial. Community building and development. Only big and fast-growing community can succeed with providing budgets for advertising, online, SMS marketing, aids, and article in newspaper, etc. We transfer accounts signed by from advertising and under our managers offline events, presentation, conference, seminars, charity events, opening clubs. We provide budgets to you and chance to build big teams for your downline.